So hi everybody. We're going to talk today about buying your first domain at NameCheap. So GoDaddy will be very similar, so you can go there if you prefer. So just click on the link below this video to go to NameCheap, and you should see something like this. The image might be different, but it should be similar with a search bar in the middle here. So just type in the name that you've decided to try for. So I'm going to put myname.com. You need to include the .com in there. And then click search. And then we will wait for a second. And then you can see that this name, myname.com, is taken unless I want to spend $282,000 to get it. I'm not going to do that, so we'll just click the back button and go back to that page again, to the search page, and we'll try something else. So Rosina loves dogs.com, and then click the search again. And this time it says, it's available for $8.98 per year. So let's go to, when you find the one that you want that's available, click add to cart. And it will be in your cart. And then it puts all these options down here. You don't need most of them. But one thing I do recommend that you get is an SSL certificate. That lets you use the HTTPS on your domain. It says it's secure, and it secures your site better so that people can't fake your site. So I do suggest that you get this SSL certificate. So we'll go ahead and click that and add it to the cart. And then when you're done, you have your site, you have your SSL certificate, click checkout. So then then you can see here all the things that are in your cart. You want domain registration. You can pick longer. I usually get names for 3 to 5 years. You often can get them cheaper that way. The more years you get, the cheaper it gets. And then I would click auto renew so that it automatically renews, and your domain is safe, so you don't, if you forget to renew it, lose it. You don't want that, because people will buy them up really quickly. So confirm your order. And if you'll want to create a new account. I do already have a NameCheap account, but I'm going to create a new one for this video. And put a username in there, put your password in there, and put first name. We'll just put test in there and test for the last name. Put your last name, put your real last name in there, and your email address. So we'll put this is an account that I use for testing. Please don't suddenly start sending stuff to it. You can sign up for NameCheap's newsletters or not. I'm going to turn it off so that I don't get a lot of emails at that account, but I would leave it on so that you get them. And create your account and continue. Oh, my username is already in use, so we'll pick something else. So my username is already in use, so we'll pick something else, and then we'll put in a new password. And then everything else can stay the same, and we'll create the account and continue. Oh, that username is also in use. Well, you've seen how to do it, so I'm just going to stop the video for a second while I get the account created, and I'll be right back. Okay, so when you get your account created, it will come up with this account information. Fill out your first name, your last name, your company name if you have one, your job title if you have one. If you're just registering for yourself or for a sole proprietorship, you can usually just leave those blank. Those are fine. Just use your first name and last name. If you do have a company, put your company name in there, and then be sure and click the I'm registering on behalf of a company. If you are if you're just doing it for yourself, just turn that off. And then put your address in there, your city, your state, your zip code, and country, and your phone number, and make sure your email address is correct. And then click continue. Oh, I have to put those in. Let's see here. So I'm going to again pause the video so I can put my address in. Well, no, I will go ahead and put it in. And then click continue. Now, you need to put in your WHOIS contact information. This is a database of who owns what domains and how to contact them. You can usually just use the same name that you registered your account with. So just leave those as the user default contact. You need a registrant, an administrative, and a technical contact, and a billing contact. And then click continue. You don't need to worry about the rest of it. So then put your billing information in, put your new card, put the name on your card number, your card billing address, or if you want to use PayPal, or I don't know what the account funds is, but and then click continue again, and you will have your domain all set up and ready to start using. So I don't actually want to buy this domain, so I'm not going to put in the billing information. From there, you'll be able to continue with your order and be all done. So, hope this helps, and you can we'll see you in our next email and on our next video. So have a great day. See ya. Bye-bye.